Migraine Ayurvedic Management by AYUR SUDHA Super Speciality Ayurveda Center. Migraine is described in Ayurvedic texts as ARDHAVABHEDAK, means half-sided headache. Some texts resemble it with Anantavaata, meaning literally the unilateral pain that resembles the classical migraine. It is a terrible headache often accompanied by the feeling of nausea and vomiting. The pain is usually felt on the one side of the head. One may experience flashing light, zigzag lines, bright spots, partial loss of vision, numbness and tingling in the hand, tongue or side of face. No medical tests confirm the diagnosis of migraine. The diagnosis is made clinically by the physician. The more common migraine may lack the warning symptoms, and the headache may be far longer lasting, although equally awful. The patient can feel irritable or depressed for hours or even days beforehand. But symptoms vary widely. Periods of paralysis, dizziness, or even loss of consciousness are all reported. Attacks may be triggered off by all sorts of things. Common ones include food, alcohol in general and red wine in particular, chocolate and caffeine, fasting, stress, strong emotional reactions and fatigue, changes in the weather or altitude, hormonal changes such as those caused by menstruation or taking birth control pills. Slightly more women than men suffer with migraines. Other types of headache. The most fearsome sort are the cluster headaches, which happen frequently, daily or several times a week, for weeks or months and then stop for months at a time. They are much more common in men, usually young men. They last for about an hour and the pain is almost exclusively on one side of the head, often around or behind the eye. It is so severe that sufferers often run around in despair and may even commit suicide. Migraine due to doshas. Vata. Dryness of skin, constipation. Pain is very acute. Pitta. Redness and burning sensation in the eyes. Photophobia, hypersensitivity from light, sunlight. Irritability. Kapha. Throbbing pain, fatigue, depression. Anti-migraine kit. Ayurvedic yogas and medicines made by our AYUR SUDHA Center are very effective in most of the patients and they get complete relief from migraine pain without any side effects. AYUR SUDHA has treated more than 2,000 patients of migraine successfully and most of them never came back with this problem again. However, around 1% patients came back with mild to moderate problems who earlier had severe symptoms of migraine, and they also get relieved by few days of medications. The herbs and Ayurvedic herbo-mineral medications are used for treatment are completely safe and the course of medicines is around 3 to 6 months according to the symptoms of the patients. Detoxification of the body is the first step of this course, and then the medicines which balances the equilibrium of the brain and nervous system are started. These medicines strengthen the nervous system and the brain cells and maintains the equilibrium of the nervous system. Our Ayurvedic treatment centers are in Brampton, Canada and in India at Jalandhar City, which is visited by many patients globally. Most of the patients are interested in online medication supply. For that we suggest them to send your complete history so that our expert team can suggest you the best remedy for your health issues at the link in our website. Consult now. For more information and ordering this kit, visit our websites www.ayursudha.com and www.worldofherbals.com. Call us at +91 98033 56060, +91 98030 39369.